DXDC Radyoman Report.
Gihulat sa Office of the Building Officials kon OCBO ang incident report gikan sa Paragon Tower. Sa interview sa DXDC RMN Davao kang Harvey James Lanticse, Davao City Information Officer, gipasalig sa official sa maong gambalay nga atimanon gilayon ang sitwasyon. Gipatanggal ang naka-hang nga nahugmak nga crane. Kagabie giinspeksyon sa frontline agencies, CDRRMO, CIO, CEO, OCBO, PSSO ang site.
With regard to kaning Paragon, ang atong city building official no already advised Paragon na i-take down ang crane nga naka-hang and to continue their assessment and to submit an incident report as soon as possible.
Samtang nagpadayon ang assessment ug inspeksyon sa government building ug facilities dinhi sa dakbayan sa Davao.
The City Engineer's Office, no, together with OCBO, CDRRRMO, and other concerned offices, is currently conducting assessment and inspection on government buildings and facilities. Ang OCBO is also coordinating with private establishments to ensure safety and integrity of structures in the city following yesterday's earthquake. And as of this morning, no major damages has been reported.
Kasama mo sa balita ug serbisyo publiko, Radyoman Amy Genita, Tatak RMN.
Tatak RMN.